Most guys want to look attractive. That's why they spend hours watching glow-up videos. And yes, the advice in those videos is usually right. But there's one big problem. Every video gives you a new tip. One tells you to fix your skincare, another says build muscle, another says change your hairstyle. After watching dozens of videos, you have so much information that you feel overwhelmed and don't know what to do first. That's why, in today's video, I'm giving you a simple 30-day glow-up system. Just follow it step by step, one day at a time, and you'll know exactly what to do every single day to become a more attractive version of yourself. Let's get started. First and most important step in any glow-up is fixing your hormones. And the most important hormone is testosterone. So here's the fastest way to increase it. 1. Zinc. Zinc is the most important mineral for testosterone production because your body actually needs it to convert cholesterol into testosterone in the first place. Without enough zinc, that whole process slows down. So here's a simple smoothie that will help you increase your testosterone phenomenally. Take 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, a little Greek yogurt, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 4 ice cubes. Blend them all together to form a smoothie and drink it every morning for 7 days. Pumpkin seeds alone are one of the richest natural sources of zinc, so this one smoothie can make a real difference. 2. Sleep. For the next 30 days, make sleep a priority. Go to bed early and aim for 8 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Most of your body's recovery and a large portion of your daily testosterone production happen during deep sleep. So when you consistently cut your sleep short, you're not just waking up tired, you're also limiting your body's ability to recover and produce hormones at its best. Now, once your internals are good, it's time to fix your body from the outside. There are 2 things we'll do. One that's easy and shows results very fast, and one that takes effort but multiplies powerfully. 1. Eyebrows. The first thing people notice is your eyes. So balance your eyebrows. It improves your eye area and makes you look sharp. Overgrown or uneven brows make your whole face look unkempt, even if everything else is on point. 2. Beard. If your beard is patchy, then just shave it off completely. But if you can grow a full beard, keep it neatly trimmed and properly shaped. The goal is to be clean. 3. Oral hygiene. Take care of your teeth. If they're stained or yellow, use a teeth whitening strip or whitening solution to brighten your smile. Your smile is one of the first things people notice, whether it's in a photo or in person. 4. Hygiene. Use a good perfume and also a deodorant underarm roller after shower to eliminate underarm odor. This isn't about looks directly, but how you smell affects how people perceive your overall presentation, often without realizing why. 5. Hairstyle. Changing your hairstyle is the fastest way to change your entire look. So if you ask me for one piece of advice that works for everyone, regardless of face shape, just don't get fades. Tell your barber to keep your side hair short using only scissors and tell him not to use a trimmer at all. And the last step, add some texture to your hair. A simple hairstyle with texture can make your look 10 times better. For that, I have the perfect product for you, Based Sea Salt Spray. And let me tell you why I actually use this product. First, it gives your hair that effortless, beachy textured look and volume without making it feel heavy. What I like the most is that it's made with premium non-toxic ingredients, contains no parabens or drying alcohols, and uses a santal sandalwood fragrance. It's clean, masculine, and honestly, it smells amazing. Here's how to use it. First, wet your hair, then towel dry it until it's slightly damp. Spray a few pumps evenly through your hair, scrunch it with your hands, style it the way you like, and you're done. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Now finally, the most powerful and easiest one. Stop mouth breathing. Mouth breathing makes your tongue rest low in your mouth instead of pressing against the roof. And over time, that lack of tongue pressure changes how your jaw and facial bones develop, which destroys your jaw structure and makes you look worse. The best solution is using mouth tape, which forces you to breathe through your nose while you sleep. Do this for 2 weeks and see your jawline. The difference will shock you. Nose breathing also filters, warms, and humidifies the air before it reaches your lungs. This process triggers nitric oxide production, which improves oxygen uptake and keeps your body in a relaxed state, leading to deeper, higher quality sleep. Now let's talk about the one thing that takes time. This next layer decides 75% of your looks. It's body composition. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. Your goal is simple: wide shoulders and low body fat. For a lean, defined face, aim for around 12 to 15% body fat, because fat on your face is usually the last to go and the first to show. It's literally hiding your jawline and cheekbones right now. Lower body fat also increases testosterone, since excess fat converts testosterone into estrogen. So dropping fat works on 2 fronts at once. So here's your plan for the next 30 days. Go to the gym 4 days a week and focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, presses, pull-ups, and rows. These movements train multiple muscle groups at once, helping you build strength and muscle efficiently. Your goal is to lift heavy with proper form. That's it for the next 30 days. Easy and not too complicated. Here it is. Take a screenshot. Once you've completed this 30-day plan and want a more advanced program for your next phase, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.